Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Statistician Hub. I'm Sancheta. Today we will learn about nonlinear curve fitting in MS Excel. First, we must know about the nonlinear curve. In simple words, nonlinear curve is the curve which doesn't linear. In mathematical terms, nonlinear curve refers that cannot be represented in the form of a linear equation or a straight line. This curve can take different shapes and used in many areas of science, engineering, economics, and more. There are different types of nonlinear curve. They are exponential curve, quadratic curve, parabolic curve, etc. But in this video, we will learn only about the exponential curve and quadratic curve fitting. Now, move to the Excel. Let us learn about fitting nonlinear curves through some examples. This is the dataset for fitting our exponential curve. Here x represents the independent variable and y represents the dependent variable. For fitting the curve, first select the dataset, click Insert, go to Chart and Scatter. This is our exponential curve. Similarly, this is the dataset for fitting our quadratic curve. Select the dataset, then go to Insert, Chart and Scatter. And this is our quadratic curve. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel Statistician Hub. Thank you.